and this is actually E2B dev. I ran it while, so you can, is the E2B dev guy here? No? Okay, all right. Maybe I won't do your repo, man. That's kind of messed up. Okay, so the first thing we do is I take these things personally, so I'm actually. So the first thing we do is we auto-wiki your code. So it's what it sounds like. We create a Wikipedia article on your code. This is all AI generated. You can edit it. There's diagrams. The citations, when I click them, they go directly to the function in class level. And we discovered, first of all, this is useful in and of itself, right? Okay. I'll bring back. Okay. I'm not that bitter. Okay, bitter lesson. So what we do is that's useful in and of itself. But what we discovered is we've actually leapfrogged traditional RAG approaches. So traditional RAG is like vector-based, keyword-based. Last time I checked, language models don't know what vectors are, right? What are language models really good at? Language, right? So give it the language, give it the map, give it the wiki of your code, and when we ask questions, so what do you want to ask about this about E2B dev?
What does it do?
What does it do? Okay. Okay. So what it's doing, and we have a new context system that maybe if I have time I'll demo, is it pulls in context from the wiki. It's using that to answer the question, and it's also pulling in actual wiki sections. So it's using both the wiki and the code itself to answer the questions. So I don't know if you agree with this answer. Okay.
That seems good.
Yeah, it seems good. Okay, so we've had a PyTorch core contributor try to stump the chat. I'm sure you can stump the chat, but it does a pretty good job. So here's some other questions like how do I add a new model to Olama? I'm sure you've all used Olama. By the way, how am I doing on time? Oh, there it is. Okay. So doing great on time. So this will actually again pull in all the relevant context of how I add a new model. It'll cite all the functions and classes just like the AutoWiki. It'll even give you example code, right? And you'll have actually no citations to the wiki this time. So we've been pretty pleased with the results. It turns out by forcing the model to summarize in the form of the wiki and then giving it the wiki is a much better approach. We're getting much better accuracy. That shouldn't surprise you, right? If you follow the research, like chain of thought, chain of reasoning, we're forcing it essentially to write an entire book about your code before it answers any question, right? So it boosts the effective IQ of the answers, and then it also helps a lot with the context. So we like to claim that we have infinite effective context length. So we've actually done this on the Linux codebase, which is a massive codebase. You can go and check it out. The company, it's right there, Mutable.ai. I guess I didn't introduce myself. I'm co-founder and CEO of Mutable.ai. We're hiring, we're working on some very exciting things, really pushing this assistant as far as it can go, doing code gen. And I think I'm done, so yeah.